Alright, so today I have something super special for you because I'm doing a makeup tutorial video which is going to get narrated by the guys of the band. So have fun. Hi everyone! As said before, today we have some super special content for you because I wanted to involve the guys of the band even more. So I came up with the idea to do a kind of makeup tutorial video and the guys are going to narrate what I'm doing. As a little background information, of course we always share the backstage when we are playing shows, so I'm doing my makeup always in front of them. And yeah, actually I'm like super curious what they think when I'm doing my stage makeup. So I'm very excited how this is going to turn out and I hope it's going to be funny. Just one additional information. This is not a makeup tutorial video because I am not a makeup artist. This is just the way how I do it. So actually I have no really idea how to do it in a proper way, but this is what works for me and this is how I do my stage makeup. And also I wouldn't wear such a heavy makeup on the street. So this is not about a makeup part, this is about the fun part. So enjoy.
Hi, this is Josie here.
Hello, Gabi here.
Hello, Bella here.
And who's that girl?
I don't know, but she's really ugly.
What she does with her
will
face?
change. I got some super glue.
I think it will cover the base. I mean, it's like
The base.
The base.
Yes, the base.
I mean, in the base template.
Okay.
You apply.
I'm so
before.
fast. I'm so fast. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so freaking fast.
Wow, that's
Okay.
another stuff. Oh,
I guess a second base.
okay.
It should be.
Okay, she's
small dots.
painting now something. Then
Small dots connected together.
Okay.
This is like the color books.
I'm-
You know the lines between the spots. You're good, girl.
Yeah, I think
Nice going.
the spots are needed for like an even surface.
Oh, okay. So you know how to do this kind of stuff.
Kind of, yeah.
You know the terms and okay.
So she was white and she's
She
now
was,
white.
and she's white again.
Yeah.
Okay, she's okay. There will be a mustache
whiter.
here, or
Okay.
so
Yeah, this
Why
is for the
is
mustache. This is for the mustache.
this is for the mustache. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is something like
Or even a third base.
third base.
Okay. It should be some kind of color on the eyes.
Mm-hmm. But at least she can paint. So we have a renovation at the house.
She
So
got
maybe
tired
I
of
can
it.
give some work to her.
Now it has no color.
No color yet.
So the fourth thing and no color still. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is the fifth, right?
Is this the fifth already?
Yeah. Small dots again.
Mhm.
Right now I'm quite sure the small dots are needed.
Well, maybe this is loop in loop. I mean the
Yeah.
video. So
We're
that's
just watching the
same
video, again,
again and again. Yes.
Still white.
Oh. That's the vaporizer. Or no. Okay. That's
New
not
video.
a vaporizer.
New video.
Okay.
This is going to be some zebra thing.
Yes. Wow, I'm really curious.
Yeah,
about
yeah,
what
yeah.
that will be. It's like
Where are we going right now?
She was
Almost white.
Make yourself white, and after that you make yourself black.
Yes, of course.
Makes sense.
Yeah, makes sense. In these
Okay,
days.
okay. These days, for sure.
No. I know what it is. I mean, if you apply 5 stuff on your face and they make you look so white, you have to apply some color again.
Okay, yes, just to have some color on your face.
Yeah.
Okay, now I
So
see.
you got reason to do this. Is that the cat shitting on the background?
No, she's sleeping.
She's sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay, we had 5 layers of white.
No.
Then-
Yeah, but in a way, I think that's what the brush is for. I mean, it's like to blend it in.
Aha.
At least as I think.
Okay, so okay.
That's my cat. That's my cat.
And that was kind of that will be the end result, or I mean, so
The
that,
cat?
that was a comparison.
I hope so.
I think she's prettier now, after the cat. You know.
Compared
Yeah.
to the cat. Okay.
No, he's a nice cat.
Yeah. Okay, but
Still a cat.
Okay. So
Oh,
I know,
well,
I know that one.
Okay,
that one.
that's something that I have never seen.
You saw that, I'm quite sure.
That's some presents for someone. Oh,
No, it's a white banana.
that's the moon. That's the moon.
White
I said so
banana.
the-
White moon banana. But I know that one.
Wow.
It's a
So-
kind of guideline.
So you. Okay, so usually this is happening in the toilet when we want to poo and piss, and that's why we cannot go in when
Yeah, but
we are in the backstage.
And
Okay.
it has a good reason because it gives you
Yes,
a guideline.
very good. It must be a very good reason.
I
then.
thought it's Sue was wearing a sticker all the time on her face.
Well, okay, so then there must be some additional layers because I have never seen this face before. There must be something on it still. Okay. Yeah, it's just to avoid having.
And pay attention on
additional
different brushes. I mean,
Okay. This is green as well. I mean, so
but smaller.
yeah, smaller. Okay. So it's okay.
Yeah, layers applied again. Okay.
Oh,
Oh.
like
That will be the glittery stuff. You didn't the shiny ones, I guess. No.
She just picked one. she didn't really care. Did you see that?
I think it will be all blended together, I guess so. With a different brush.
and will be black in the end, or
No.
I don't know. Okay.
I don't think so, at least.
Okay.
Okay.
No, sticker off.
Ooh.
Yeah, I told you the guideline.
It was better with the sticker. Yeah, sticker. Again.
Sticker
I like
again.
the sticker.
Stick to the sticker. Okay.
So I guess it will be the same process again. I think we are at
Okay, it's short.
the 9th or the 10th
well,
stuff.
Now it's much
That
better.
was fake. She's not
It's a
that
kind
fast.
of leaf style. I mean,
That should be for the eyebrow. No. I don't know how you call that part of your body. But that thing makes them black.
beauty killer.
Beauty killer.
Okay, don't ruin it. Don't
No,
ruin it.
don't,
Oh, gosh. I would
She's
say.
not a pro. I can't. tell.
Would you purchase any product called Beauty Killer?
Well, probably not, but
Okay. Fade the guideline a bit. No.
okay. But then
No, that's the glitter stuff.
That's the glitter. So we will have then shiny spots everywhere.
I guess.
Oh,
That's for the eyebrows. Okay.
yeah. I was wondering that isn't it? So how often does she need to do this? I mean, okay. So
You
it's
ask me.
pardon?
You ask me.
Well, it will be
I mean, daily?
daily.
Daily.
Then
Daily,
wouldn't
not
it be-
daily.
Wouldn't it be easier to like having printed on her face or
You mean a tattoo or something like that?
a tattoo or a 3D painter or
stickers.
something or stickers? I mean, that must be really tough to. So
I'm not into like makeups that much.
Okay, but does she do that in the toilet all the time? Also at home.
In the bathroom.
In the
you mean?
bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay, so then you have this kind of like
And all the of course, because
difficulty each
it,
day.
it's like the video is a bit cheating because you don't see all the
movements.
and all the stuff she needs for this is like shitload of stuff. I mean, from this like palette, I think she has like at least 5 or 6, and all the brushes, all the pencil stuff. I don't know how you call that thing. So basically, it takes all the space in the bathroom.
Okay, so that's the reason why my guitar stack doesn't fit into the bass. Okay, now I see. Okay.
What if she ruins these lines? She start all over
All over again.
over.
Yes. How does it?
You're laughing, but yeah.
But yes.
Oh,
The drying process.
that, yeah.
The drying
So of
process.
course,
I think we are getting close to fit. No.
She was just waving to herself. Hey, hi.
yes, hey,
Hi,
oh,
me.
yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. Ah.
So you need fake ones right after you just.
Did you know that? Did you know that?
It's not a makeup. It's a fake up.
Yeah. Kind of, yeah. You created a base again, right?
Yes. So it's all about the bass.
Oh, by the way, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Is it comfortable? I don't think so, really.
And how about the sweat? I mean, doesn't it, just
I don't.
push it away from your face or from your eyes when you are sweating? And
I never wear them.
No.
No.
Well, you would look good.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe
You
in the
should
next
try.
video
Yes,
we will
yes,
try
I think
one.
that
Yeah,
should be
yeah,
the
yeah.
next one.
It should be close to finish.
Close to
No.
finish now.
I mean,
usually it takes then 1 hour. Then how comes that it would be finished after 10
there
minutes?
should
And
be
always
there
is
should be a video trick, Josie. I bought that stuff.
All of them is pink. So which should I choose? Okay,
I remember
It's just it's a misleading color.
I know that pretty well because I bought that for her.
Ah, okay. I thought
It's
that you have
it's
also some.
a
So what should we
it's
know
a
about this?
it's a lipstick in different colors.
I wouldn't tell.
Would you think it's a lipstick in different colors?
But is this the same makeup that she had in the Witch's Hill video? Or it was similar, am I right?
I don't know if you're right or not.
No, I mean, okay.
Okay, it's
Doesn't matter, or does it? It does matter, but I
Tell
mean,
us in the
I
comment
just-
section.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes.
and if you like a video, please
Yeah.
subscribe, leave a comment,
Leave a-
follow us on Facebook and Instagram also.
Ink. Oh no. Wow.
No, that's for like fixing all the stuff.
Ah, okay.
I'm quite sure, or not.
Waving again.
I think it's done. It's
okay,
done.
so we are half. Oh no, not halfway. Okay, now I know this girl. I usually see her.
I
on
miss
the
the
stage.
stickers.
Right now it's done. I'm sure it's
Done.
done. Yeah,
Wow.
yes, it is.
Wow, that was interesting. I mean, I've learned a lot.
Yeah, and you should start a channel like Josie's Makeup.
Yes. Okay, so the next video will be our makeup with Bela, Gabi, and Josie.
Without Bela.
And Gabi and Josie. So bye.
Doing the
for-
makeup for Bela.
Without Bela.
Yeah, when he's sleeping. Okay, so bye for now. Ciao.